friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is a 12 days of Christmas. This is day 2, wood rounds, which, I prefer wreaths, but we're going to do a wood round today. Our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting with Mimi's World. Please check out their channels. And all the more creative projects than mine in the playlist. And this kind of wood likes to draw in the paint. It always takes more than I always expect. Make sure to get the bottom, even though the bottom is going to be covered. It's just nice to get it completely base painted. And I got a bristle for my brush. Be careful about that. Here's our stencil. I'm not going to do this bottom because it's going to be covered up. But I'm going to try to be very gentle. Let's be very gentle. A couple tiny little places we just need to touch up. And I see a place I missed with white paint. Okay, let's make a bow. We have our ends dovetailed on the ends, and we're gonna go about 3 inches on one side, and we don't even have to twist. This is a ribbon I like. Now we're gonna just take and dovetail the ends over here. A very simple bow. These would be cute on your Christmas tree just for the little tiny bows. A lot of people buys them, but it's really simple to make your own. And then twist the ribbon, not the pipe cleaner, because the pipe cleaner will break if you are rough with it. Okay, you can use your Mod Podge. I got school glue here. I might see if I can just use this. Ooh, got a lot. This will be stuff inside my house. It won't be out anyway. This is our fabric. And then I have a little bit I gotta trim off down here. And then I'm going to take my little heat press. To help get our creases out. And then we'll go back and make sure that the fabric's nice and trimmed. Okay, now we're going to take our ribbon. We're going to add it right here. Okay, now we're going to turn it over. We are going to add a line of hot glue right across there. You could add a line of glue there. I'm not. I'm going to add some glue up here. And I'd probably come back, if I was going to sell this or was going to have it outside, I'd come back and staple this on. Same way with this bow. I definitely come back and staple this on. And then you can use some berries or whatever you have on hand. I'm going to add a few of these bells because they're sitting here, you know. They're sitting on my craft table. They're fair game. Ooh. I'm going to add just a dot more hot glue. this is my round. You could always change out your fabric to any kind you would that fits your decor and your ribbon. But it's an idea for, you could put this on the front door, on your mantle, or really anywhere. Tell me what you think.